Hey guys, I'm Logan. We're up to Season 14, Episode 7 of Supernatural. Here we go.
I know, I've got issues. It's not like I want to do this, okay? I need to. I know. If you say you can't tell me what I already told you during confession, I accept that. Of course, he was the only witness to my family's murder. There is a devil, and we should try to fight him. Sometimes we just can't.
Oh boy.
Hang in there.
Hang in there. But he told him to hang in there. You get it? Uh-oh.
I don't know what's wrong with him. But you can figure it out, right?
Oh.
Jack? Jack?
Oh my god. What?
His full name, please.
Jack Smith?
You do know his name, right?
Jack. Klein. Jack Klein.
Oh, Jack.
K-L-I-N-E.
Family medical history. Let's start with the father.
He's dead.
Cause of death?
He was stabbed through the heart and he exploded. Jack Klein, his father exploded. There, you got all the basics. Now what does he need to do to see a doctor? Jack. Jack.
That.
That's all right, Jack.
I like how Dean is all worried about him now, and flashback a couple season or two, and like, he's gonna die.
Nick? Hello? Jan, Fargo.
Hey, yeah. You weren't easy to track down.
Why does she look so
Oh,
familiar?
that Pike Creek 6 years ago.
My ex-neighbor, Artie Nielsen, was killed a few weeks ago.
Really?
Yeah, so... This brought back all kinds of bad memories, you know, and I was just looking for some answers.
Two?
For my family.
There was almost no evidence at the crime scene. The cops had zero to say to me. I even played with the idea you did it, but...
Well, I was getting hammered at the Elks Lodge that night.
So, I moved on.
But
Yeah, well, I can't.
Nick,
it would be so interesting if it turns around and he actually did do it. He was just so drunk he couldn't
What
remember.
happened that night, these demons will disappear.
pretty sure it was Frank. Frank Kellogg.
Frank Kellogg.
Last I heard, he was doing private security.
Frank
over in
Kellogg?
Frank Kellogg, Mom.
Like the cereal? Wait, is that cereal? That's a cereal company, right?
When Jack became human, I was worried, given what we do, that something would happen to him. But I thought it'd be a vampire or a ghoul, not a freaking cough.
Not a freaking cough.
You just said his test came back negative.
Well, those tests, but we have to run more tests.
More tests.
Yes, until we can figure out what's happening to him.
What is happening to him right now?
Come on. Is he in a coma?
Jack's in total systemic failure.
What?
His body is in the process of shutting down.
Let's bring him home, let's do what we do, and let's find a way. Hell, I was even thinking maybe Rowena. I already called her.
Better guess.
Thanks for coming.
I got to you as quick as I could. How is he?
Well,
I brought the Book of the Damned,
No,
Which,
Book of the Book of the Damned?
stole.
which I borrowed amidst the ruckus of those folks arriving from the other world. But we can talk about that later. Just how sick is Dean?
Yeah, about that.
What? Is this a trick, Samuel? I thought we were beyond this.
Somebody is sick, all right? But listen.
You told her it was
How
Dean?
our friend Jack, with everything that was going on when you were here, but we've sort of been taking care of him, and he's...
Oh my god. No.
Lucifer's son.
God.
Goodbye.
No. Stop. He's a great kid.
Goodbye.
His mother was a fantastic human being. So he's powerless now, and something's going on with him, and he might die.
Oh, splendid. The sooner the better. From what I know, the father of the world will be better off without the son.
You might be right. We're all still figuring that out. Sam and Dean, they say such nice things about you.
They do?
You saved all of us.
They do?
Apocalypse world.
Hey, buddy. You're right.
Bollocks. Some ray wheels not really a cow's at seat.
How am I?
We'll do share.
When Jack's grace was taken from him, his being fell into chaos. The cells are gobbling each other up.
So he needs grace.
Grace he needs, if not mine.
I don't exactly know, but he's entering a critical phase. Sometimes he'll look just fine, but then his body will give way and it'll be the end of him.
What the hell is going on with him?
Evening.
Oh no.
Evening yourself.
You're out here alone. That's sort of dangerous, isn't it?
Normally the people who cause you danger are the ones that
That's
say
kinda
that.
weird. I just meant be safe. Go!
It's like he can't help it. He's stuck. There's too much Lucifer still left. Or the impact was just so massive.
You going somewhere?
Before my life is over, I want to live it. I just want a chance to get a tan, see a hockey game, get a parking ticket.
A hockey game.
So that's your plan, huh?
I don't want to waste time arguing.
Carry on my way. I don't know why.
So I just
Just popped in my head.
Now, how likely do you think that is?
The bunker's vault has a number of Enochian texts on archangels, but nothing on their half-human offspring.
And I've spoken to some of the greatest minds in witchcraft, and they all say there's nothing will help Jack.
So if there are no archangels left, there's nothing left. There's like 8 angels.
He's got a line on a shaman. He's an expert in mysticism, esoteric divinity. I mean, Ketch says the Grits swore by him.
Michael is still in him. I know it. This is like proving my point, I
Got a
feel.
location, and Ketch says I'll set up a meeting.
Okay, I'll go. You and Dean.
The only archangel that's out there is Michael. We need his grace.
Where?
We're taking baby for some exercise. You think that's a good idea? Yeah. Well,
With a backpack.
how would you drive?
What? Dean, I don't drive.
Now you do. Oh boy. There we go.
Hey.
D for drive.
Easy. Take it easy.
Whoa!
Okay, all right.
You know
I'm
what?
not very good at this.
No, you're doing just fine. Okay, try using one foot, not two. And just relax. Take it smooth. Don't overthink it. Here we go. See? Huh?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's like I'm you!
Look.
Eyes on the road. Feels good, doesn't you?
No one's allowed to drive this. So the fact that Dean is letting someone drive his car,
Oh, all right. Yeah, he was pretty rough on Jack at the beginning, and I don't think he's forgotten. And I know he hasn't forgiven himself. You know,
Yeah.
he's
That's exactly
lost
why.
people, we've all lost people, but
This feels different. I can drive.
Yeah, you can.
No, for real. But this was in Pike Creek, when you were a cop 9 years ago.
Oh.
I don't remember you. No, I wasn't there. My wife and my son were there. Alone. Until you showed up. So let's talk.
That was suspicious. They're fishing?
Well, bait and beer. You are a cheap date.
Nice.
Certainly in Tahiti.
You once told me you and your father did the exact same thing. What was your happiest memory of him?
Oh my
I
god.
didn't say that.
It was how you said it. I could tell. I miss more time with you. I'm getting that life isn't all these big, amazing moments.
Ouch, my heart.
It's time together that matters.
Well, who'd have thought hanging out with me would make you sentimental?
I've had a good life, Dean.
You've hardly lived. Stop. Wow. Nice,
Sergey?
nice car cast.
Sergey?
As for my curriculum vitae, I'm passionately peripatetic, no roots. I've recrossed the globe many, many times over, studying and observing the skills of myriad witches. We've never met face to face, but our reputations are mutually stellar.
Okay.
I wouldn't call catch stellar. Do you think it's reversible?
Not as such, but it can be shocked out of its progression
What?
by a recharging agent. Think of it like you're rebooting a computer.
And where would one find such a thing?
First and foremost, a healer.
Oh! How did you...
Archangel Grace.
Vintage. From Gabriel. In trade for my homebrewed cloaking spell. He used it to hide away in Monte Carlo.
With porn stars, yes, I know the story.
The other Winchesters, they own me.
Oh no. Oh.
Oh. Frank? How long are you gonna hold out, man?
Like they were protecting one of their own. What does any of this have to do with me?
Glad you asked, buddy.
I got contact. Look, I don't know what happened that night. Your wife called the precinct. Thought she heard a prowler. The next thing I know, I'm back in the patrol car and I'm covered in blood. My wife's twin. And my baby's blood.
It was a supernatural thing. He didn't mean to do it.
Praxis. I know.
You were possessed.
What?
You were possessed.
Yeah, this whole business, it's not your fault.
Dang.
But this was the hand that murdered my man. And even if it wasn't you,
Hmm. Oh no.
No. No, please. Please.
Oh my god. Jeez. Hey! Hey! Abraxas? I don't know that name.
Gentlemen? Are you ready, Jack?
Oh my god. I do be a little nervous.
Fortione hac restitutus eris omnia runt sicut erat.
Couldn't he explode or something? Oh, okay. The mojo's back?
Definite improvement.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh no.
Jack.
I knew that was gonna. I was about to
Say the words right?
I did!
Jack.
Come on.
Say them again.
Jack isn't just another sick kid. This is the son of an archangel of the Lord who is much more ill now because of your harmonics.
And
If Jack dies, I will find you.
you can try.
Screw that. Really? Was that Jaeger?
I'm not very good at this, but the priest said it would help, so I'm gonna try.
I'm bonded to you and what you are. I mean, it's how you first found me. I don't know who I am if I'm not you. Help me.
Shouldn't have done it. I shouldn't have taken him out. Life, all of it, is a risk. Jack knew that.
And you made him happy. You did more for him than any of us.
So, what can we do?
Watch over him. Stay by his side. As he dies.
Are you kidding me? Let me talk about that thing real quick because my camera's dying. That was Lucifer in the little angel darkness death area where angels die and they go and they're nothing. Darkness forever. That was Lucifer. Like waking up. Or the darkness or whatever. Great. That's gonna be a problem. If either he comes back or like that thing gets irritated or something, or I don't know. Alright, my camera's dying. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe if you have not already. I'll see y'all next time.